morning, students. In last lecture, I already discussed about uses of organic compounds like carbohydrate, proteins and hydrocarbons like methane, petroleum gas, CNG compressed natural gas, LPG liquefied petroleum gas and marshy gas, that is the methane. Actually, the LPG main constituent is a butane and propane, butane, isobutane and propane. But in this lecture, we have to discuss about what do you mean by polymer? What do you mean by polymer? Yes, polymers from the Greek words, come from the Greek words. Yes, poly means many. The poly word used for many. Yes, polymer. Yes, poly word used for many, more than two. And mer mean unit. When two or more unit combine each other. When two or more unit combine each other, that gives us polymer. That gives us polymer. Yes. I'm again repeat. Poly mean more than two. Yes. For example, polyethylene. You know ethane gas. When two or more molecules, ethane, combine each other, that gives us polyethylene. Someone pronounced like that polythene. Not actually it is a polythene. It is a polyethylene. Ethene is a gas. Their formula CH2 double bond CH2. Their formula is a CH2 double bond. We can say that C2H4. Carbon single bond also there. You know carbon double, carbon triple. That will come in the next higher classes. Yes, in hydrocarbon chapter. So double bond is there, ethene. This one not in your syllabus. You have to do this only, not revise the formula. This is for your knowledge only. Yes. And one thing more, 57 and 58 page not in your syllabus. The topic is a glass, fertilizers, etc. These are not in your syllabus. Glass, cement and fertilizers. 57 and 58 page. Yes. Now the ethene, polyethylene, poly mean more than, yes, many. When more than two molecules combine each other, that is called polyethylene. Polymer, that is called polymer. Yes, or single unit, structural unit. When single structural unit is called monomer. Mono means single. Two means dimer, trimer, tetramer. For one, mono. For two, di. For three, tri. For four, tetra. For five, penta, like this. But more than two, you directly speak poly. Polymer. For the single unit, it is called polymer. If more than two units combine each other, structural unit combine each other, that is called polymer. Monomer, lot of monomer combine each other, and that is called polymer. I already given one example of polyethylene. Yes, polyethylene, ethene like this. You already know carbon. There's one bond made from the two electrons. Here two bonds of four electrons are there. If you shift this electron this side, this carbon have their electron, this one. But if this electron move this side, so it means that come negative charge, a positive charge, that comes negative charge. I'm again repeat, when you transfer the double bond that side, this electron the carbon have, but this carbon electron transfer this side, so positive negative charge will come. So then you have to write what? CH2 positive, single bond, CH2 negative. When these units combine each other, yes, see, more than two. Yes, negative, positive attraction is there, that's why. So on. The formula actually is like this: CH2 single bond CH2 like this. N molecules, N units combine each other. That is called polyethene. This is the ethene, that is polyethene. Ethene gas. Yes, so this is the polymer. That is called polymer. Yes, that is called polymer. Yes, polymerization. Yes, polymerization. The process of converting the single monomer into polymer. The process of converting the single monomer into polymer, that is called polymerization. Plastic are made up of polymers. You know plastics. Example PVC, plastic, polyvinyl chloride. Lot of polymers are there. Yes. Terylene. So plastics are man-made polymer. These are the man-made polymer. Most of the plastics are made from chemicals only. The polymers are two types actually. One is the artificial and one is the natural, which we get from the nature. And those which get from the made by the man-made only, that is called artificial polymer. That is called artificial polymer. Yes, students. Yes, now we have to see classification of plastics. First is the thermoplastic. Yes, thermo. Yeah, first is the thermoplastic. Thermo means temperature. Yes, when you heat any plastic, you are able to remold it again and again. For example, this is duster made from the plastic. When you heat it, you are able to give any shape, remold it again and again. Yes, by the application of heat or by applying the pressure. Thermal means temperature, heat. When you apply the heat, you are able to change the shape of a plastic very easily. That plastic is called PVC. That plastic is called thermoplastic. Example is the PVC. PVC is a polyvinyl chloride. These all polymer we discuss in the next chapter. Polyvinyl chloride. It is the same formula only. To remind the formula, CH2 double bond CH2. Here 2 hydrogen is there. When you remove one hydrogen, you put one Cl. When you remove one hydrogen, you put a Cl. So here formula vinyl. This is the vinyl chloride. Again write CH2 double bond CHCl. Here you replace the H with the Cl. Then again you transfer this. Then form it what? Plus, and that one minus. Then lot of these molecules combine each other. React with them. Then like this. Then it form like this. N molecule combine each other. That's why the N molecule of the vinyl chloride combine each other. That gives us a polyvinyl chloride. It's very easy. This is the example of a thermoplastic. A thermosetting plastic. Yes, setting. One time set, so you are unable to change by applying the pressure or heat. The plastic which cannot be remolded again after they made are called thermosetting plastic. Example is a bakelite. Bakelite is an important example of the polymer, which was the plastic. That is a thermosetting plastic. Yes. So now this is the classification of plastics. Now we see the next activity. How we are able to make any example to make the one polymer at home. Simple only. You take egg white. You take 1 teaspoon of egg white and add some baking soda in it. Yes, in egg white, 1 teaspoon of egg white, you add baking soda, little bit baking soda. Yes, baking soda, and mix it, and little 1 teaspoon of water also you have to put. Yes, then slowly mix each other slowly and add the citric acid in it slowly. Then mix it, add the citric acid here. Yes. Then baking soda when react with the acid, you already know when you put in the carbonate, when you put acid, it gives us a CO2 gas, carbon dioxide. When you heat the baking soda, then also carbon dioxide. When you add the acid in the baking soda, carbonate, that gives us a carbon dioxide gas. And convert the mixture into foam. That make the form by binding the eggs white. And when CO2 produce, it make the foam. And foam helps to make the like a polymer shape. It gives us like a polymer shape. It's very good activity, but not try to drink this thing. It's a very big problem for your stomach. Stomach disorder is there. So take care. So student, this is the activity. We already discussed about the what do you mean by polymer, then plastic, classification of plastic, thermoplastic and the thermosetting plastic. And last one is the activity. So in next lecture we have to discuss about next polymer, some examples of polymer like bakelite, Teflon, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene, etc. Thank you, students.